On the ninth day of Christmas, crowdsourcing is the plan. I hope you're eager to understand.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to...
Hey guys, welcome back to our 12 Days of Christmas series. Today, let's step into the world of crowdsourcing, an innovative approach to getting things done and making money. If you've ever wondered what crowdsourcing is all about and how you can tap into this dynamic source of income, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is crowdsourcing really? So it's a practice of obtaining input, ideas, services, or content by soliciting contributions from a large group of people, often online, right? It's like harnessing the collective power of the crowd to achieve a common goal. Now, how is it done? Well, platforms like Upwork, TaskRabbit, or even Kickstarter connect to those with tasks or projects to be done with a pool of skilled individuals ready to lend their expertise. It's a win-win collaboration where tasks get completed and contributors earn for their efforts. Why has crowdsourcing become so prominent, you may ask? Well, in a fast-paced digital age, crowdsourcing allows businesses and individuals to tap into a diverse range of skills and ideas quicker than ever. So it's efficient, it's cost-effective, and it can lead to innovative solutions. Now, what if you think you don't have any skills? Well, fear not. Even if you're not the one doing the task, platforms like Airtasker allow you to crowdsource by posting tasks you need help with. So you can find skilled individuals, and if they complete the task, you earn a percentage of the payout. It's really and truly a brilliant way to leverage other people's talents because you're the one seeking the talents, right? Why is it a good source of income? Crowdsourcing provides flexibility and opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills or find solutions to problems. So whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, or just someone with a keen eye for details, there's a crowdsourcing gig or opportunity for you. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the upside, it's flexible, efficient, and allows access to a global talent pool. However, on the flip side of that, there may be concerns about quality control, communication barriers, and sometimes the competition can be fierce. So now you know, crowdsourcing is not just a buzzword. It's a dynamic force that's changing the game or changing the way we work and get things done. Whether you're a skilled professional or someone with a task at hand, crowdsourcing opens up a world of endless possibilities. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to navigate the gig economy. Until next time, happy crowdsourcing. Bye.